Welcome to my channel. The brave brothers Chang and Eng, once upon a time, in a faraway land called Siam, which is today known as Thailand, a very unusual and extraordinary event took place. On May 11, 1811, twin boys were born. Their names were Chang and Eng. But these were not ordinary twins. Chang and Eng were conjoined twins, their bodies were joined together at the chest. Because of this, people often stared at them. Some were surprised, some were curious, and some even made fun of them. But from the very beginning, these brothers showed the world something powerful. They were different, but not weak. As little boys, they learned how to walk together, how to run together, and even how to swim together. At first, it was difficult. Imagine trying to run while holding hands with someone all the time. But Chang and Eng practiced every single day. Slowly, step by step, they found their own rhythm. They discovered that when they worked together, they could do almost anything that other children could do. Their family was poor, and life in their village was not easy. But the twins were full of courage and determination. They helped their parents, played with other children, and dreamed about a bigger world outside their small village. When they grew older, a traveler noticed them and thought, the world should see these extraordinary brothers. And so, Chang and Eng began a journey that would take them across the seas, far away from their homeland. They traveled to America, to Europe, and to many places where people had never seen conjoined twins before. At first, they were displayed in shows, almost like curiosities. Crowds would gather, whisper, and point at them. But Chang and Eng didn't hide. They stood tall and spoke to people. Slowly, the world began to see them differently, not just as joined twins, but as two smart, brave, and determined young men. Because of them, a new phrase was born, Siamese twins. That's how famous they became. After many years of traveling, the brothers decided they wanted a quieter, more normal life. So, they settled down in America. There, they worked as farmers, waking up early each morning to take care of their land. They built a life full of hard work and honesty. But life had more surprises for them. Chang and Eng both fell in love and got married. Each brother had his own wife, and together they created a large, joyful family. Can you guess how many children they had? An amazing 21 children in total. Their home was always full of laughter, play, and love. Think about it. Two brothers who were born in a small village, stared at by the world, turned their difference into strength, built a life in a new land, and became loving fathers to so many children. Their story teaches us many things. The lessons are simple but powerful. Being different is not something to be afraid of. It is something to be proud of. When people support each other and work together, nothing is impossible. And most importantly, courage and determination can turn challenges into victories. Chang and Eng lived their lives with bravery, love, and unity. Even though their journey was not easy, they showed the whole world that every life is valuable, and every challenge can become a triumph. And so, dear friends, the story of Chang and Eng, the brave Siamese twins, will always remind us to be proud of who we are, to never give up, and to treat every person with kindness and respect. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wonderful stories.